touch water.
David!
Oh!
There's rice on the fire. Help me look at it, please. Don't hear. Guy, how far now?
Bro, what's up now?
No shame.
I get one Samsung where I want to sell original phone, A10, bad, mad, crazy.
Chai!
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Hey, wo, my phone be this, sir.
Go my phone for me.
David, please let me go put this inside rice. Please, let me go put inside rice. Good boy.
We start to be putting stupid food inside rice. Should I put inside raw rice on the rice we are cooking? Oh, let me just put it inside this way.
Jesus is Lord. Irú ọmọ wo wá rè nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o.
David, how far? Have you checked the rice?
Yes.
Where is the phone I told you to put inside the rice? Eh? Mo gbé.